Welcome to Sentence Analysis, Lesson 1, Subject and Predicate of a Sentence. A sentence has two main parts. These are the naming part and the telling part. The naming part of the sentence tells who or what is being spoken about. The who or what that is being spoken about is called the subject of the sentence. Let's look at an example. So first example, sentence number 1. The boy walks to the park. So the subject that tells us who we are speaking about in the sentence is the boy. Example, sentence number 2. These shoes are black. The subject that tells us what we are speaking about in the sentence, subject here, shoes. Now let's look at the telling part of the sentence. And the telling part of the sentence is called the predicate. It tells what the subject is doing or being. This part of the sentence must have a verb. So let's look at our example. Sentence number 1. The boy walks to the park. The predicate has the verb walks and the rest of the sentence that tells us what the subject is doing. So the predicate walks to the park. Our second example, sentence number 2. The shoes are black. So the predicate again has the verb are and the rest of the sentence that tells us what the subject is being. So our predicate here are the words are black. So let's move straight on into our practice activity. Now we have to say whether the part underlined in each sentence is the subject or predicate of the sentence. Our first sentence, Charles is a police officer. Sentence number 2, the books fell off the shelf. Sentence number 3, my best friend came to visit. 4, the mouse ran into the hole. So look at your sentences and the underlined part in each sentence. Let's get our answers. Charles, the subject of the sentence, fell off the shelf. The predicate part of the sentence, number 3, came to visit. Also the predicate part of the sentence. And the mouse, number 4, subject of the sentence. So let's remember, the naming part of a sentence tells us the subject, which is the who or what the sentence is talking about, and the predicate or telling part tells what the subject is doing or being.